Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear students, I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Welcome to our online platform of NAVS Home School. Here, I am Muhammad Farooq Hussain, Assistant Teacher of National Indian University School, Daship. Now I am going to conduct an ICT class for the students of class 8, and our today's topic is from your ICT books, chapter 1, lesson 5, discussion. Dear students, this lesson is too much important to you because in the previous year you had or the students had an assignment regarding this lesson. Okay, so let's come and discuss about the lesson. Dear students, lesson 5 is about the application of information and communication technology in government activities. That means in government activities how ICT helps us. Dear students, you know that now it's an era of modern age and everything manually has been transformed into digitalization. As a result, the government also taking a lot of initiatives to make the country digital. So, from that notion, we have got few points regarding all this lesson. So, number A, publishing government circulars. Dear students, nowadays all the government circulars are published through announcement, and we can get that all kinds of government circulars through by clicking at our phone or any device. That means we don't need to go anywhere to get the government published circulars. Then number B, enacting law and regulations or amendments. Dear students, nowadays to enact any law, the government doesn't need to do anything. They just enact the law and publish it through digital services, and we get the law and we follow the laws. Then number C, communicating important events and informing about memorable days. Dear students, you all know that nowadays before any memorable day we can or we are informed through short SMS or through the television programs, and these mediums, that means through short SMS or others media, we can be informed about the memorable days and we can communicate with any of the authority regarding the government. Then number D, doorstep government services. Dear students, doorstep government services. Doorstep means by staying at home, which services are rendered by the government, we get it. That means we get that services by staying at home, and these services are rendered by the government. So this point is very much related to the digital Bangladesh. Okay. So which services we get by staying at our home? First of all, that is e-settlement records. E-settlement records. Dear students, you know that for getting any paper related our lands, we need to go to the land office, and after going there we need to find that papers from piles of papers. But nowadays, for the help of digitalization, we get our e-settlement records papers by clicking on our computer. Then e-book. Dear students, you know that at the beginning of this year, when you didn't get all the government provided free distributed books, on that time we told you to read or to download ebooks and to read it from there. So ebook is too much helpful for all of us. Then e-permit. Dear students, imagine that a factory need to have its permission from the government. Then how will it get that services? It will send its all the information to the government, and government will analyze that all the informations, and in this how the government can permit the authority. Okay, this is called e-permit. Then results of public examinations. Dear students, you know that today at 11 a.m. Our country's HSC examinations would be published. You know that we will get this result by clicking at our mobile phone or our computer. So, but before few years, if we go back, we will get that we need to go to the board, bring the result, then we have to publish the result then from our institutions. But nowadays we don't need to do so. E-healthcare. You know that government provided e-healthcare is another service of doorstep government services. We can get healthcare services by staying at our home. Online income tax return submission. We can submit our online return of income tax by staying at our home. Distance money transfer is another beneficial subject, a topic of our digitalization. We can send money through bKash, Rocket, or another money transfer services. Bill payment. We can also pay our bills by those services also. Transport. Dear friends, we can get the tickets of buses, launches, and aeroplanes also by staying at home. Okay. Then online registration. We can also register anything through online easily. So all these are services of our doorstep government services. Dear students, you have homework number 5. It's about make 5 MCQ from this lesson. Dear students, this is all about today's discussion. I hope you all got today's lecture very easily, and after watching the video, I hope if you go through the book, then it would be very much easier to evaluate what is written on the book. This is the end of the class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.